In the 2019 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, power driver seat. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.